Megan. So it's November 23, 2022 p.m. I just got home from getting your package, and I already sort of opened it up. This was supposed to be my promise to you, to open it on webcam, and I am opening it on webcam. It's just that I'm not opening it on webcam with you. I don't know. I just don't think I can do that now. So I recorded this just for you. I already opened it up, like, attached, so weird. And I haven't actually started. Oh. Yeah. Well, on the front part, it says that you got me a t-shirt, a sweater, and a teddy bear, so that gives it away. There it goes. Part of the gift too. So here goes the SFSC jacket. SFSC sweater. Ooh, I'm sorry I couldn't get you a brand new sweater. This one is mine, so when you wear it, remember that I also wore it once, so that it touched my body. I got this color, so which is my favorite color. It looks so nice on you. Anything will look nice on you though. Now when you wear this sweater, if people ask you what SFSU stands for, you can say San Francisco State University. Now who goes there? I like you, boo. Thank you. So it smells brand new. It says boo on it. Hey boo, I hope you like the teddy bear. I had it specially made for you. It's special because, well, you'll find out right now. Press the tummy area of the bear. Holy shit. Did you hear how I thought it might be cute or something for whenever you wanted to hear my voice? They placed an actual heart in the bear too. I got to kiss the heart and make a wish before they placed the heart in it. If you feel around the bear's back, you might feel the heart. Might feel the heart. That's sad. Is it tiny? I feel something. The bear also comes with a birth certificate. I hope you like the teddy bear. I miss you too. I like you too. I'll see you soon, man. Really? Dude. Oh dear polo shirt. So I hope you like this shirt. This shirt was hardest to make. I used bleach and almost passed out because of the fumes. I had to trace the letters onto a plastic sheet, and after I had to carefully cut out the letters, which took forever. After I laid the letters onto the t-shirt and sprayed the bleach on top of it. Creative, right? So weird that the color comes out a rusty orange color. I'm planning on making a t-shirt from that says either make mangoes or make it modern. So after the whole making process, I was extremely happy with how it looked. I hope you kind of like it at least. By the way, I don't expect you to wear this silly t-shirt. I just thought it might be a cool idea. million Mars. It's even V-neck, huh? So that's why you're asking me about like V-neck shirts. It looks cool. It is cool. What is this? Do I need to open this? I see a panda. Isn't this panda eraser cute? I came across this at the store and I wanted to review it. Since you like pandas, you can take the panda apart too. This is just a little random gift. I bought one for me too so we can match. Since you lost mine, I got you another one. Don't overuse it. Too bad these chapsticks didn't like such your lips. A purple t-shirt. I love my Cali girl. Hey Cole, remember when you reblogged that picture of a t-shirt saying I love my Dead Meat Style fan? Well, I made you a t-shirt that says I love my Cali girl. This shirt was exclusively good. It did come out as nice as I wanted it to though, and expected to wear it. I just thought it would be kind of funny. So you made this? Because if you made this, it ended up coming off pretty nice. You should have sprayed your like scent on it. Thank you. I'm guessing this is like the journal I'm gonna write off. And I'll still get it to you. Happy birthday wishes. That's long. Oh, happy birthday, boo. You're finally 18 years old now. You're really badass. I desperately wish to be with you soon, but I can't. I'll be in your heart though. We'll always be connected. I hope today is filled with a lot of fun. I also hope you like the gifts I sent you. I'm glad I got to celebrate your 18th birthday with you, even though it's through work. Yeah, not really on work. I hope I get to celebrate more birthdays with you in the future. You become a very important and special person to me. Yeah. Like you said, if we never work out in the future, which is impossible because I hooked on you really good. I'll have to be a real good. I hope to be real good to you. I think you missed a word. I hope to be a real good to you. a real good friend to you. I love talking to you, and I love how easily you can make me smile. I hope I can make you easily smile too. Since you're 18, instead of giving you 18 punches, I'll give you 18 kisses. Pretend I'm there, kissing your lips, softly, 18 times, in between the kisses. I'll look into your eyes and smile. I can imagine the way your lips feel on mine. They must feel soft and taste sweet. I bet your lips will fit perfectly on mine, like it was meant to be. Just like our lips, I bet if I placed my hand into yours and my What?
My daddy's calling you.
Alright, see, hold on. It fit perfectly. I like you so much, boo. I hope we can spend time with you physically in the future, or on one of your birthdays. That'd be really nice. I've done something really amazing for you. Since you're 18 today, I'll tell you 18 things I love about you. Your gorgeous smile, your strong muscular arms, the way your voice sounds when you say your chewing, your whimpering, your sweetness, when you wink, the way you move with your lips, when you shy, you cover your face. Your laugh, your body's great thing, essence, your stubbornness, your personality, the way you tell me that butterfly, your athleticism, your down to fight attitude, when you go to smile, and finally, 18, you. I love you. Happy birthday, Jerry. Thank you, Megan. Dude, these presents are too creative. I'm not even kidding. Like, I wouldn't even have thought of anything as creative as making t-shirts by myself. Like, I can't do that. I really love these gifts though, and I'm not kidding. And because of what happened yesterday, it doesn't really make a difference, right? I'm still your friend. And it doesn't change how I feel for you. I still like you. So I miss you. I like you. See you soon. Thank you for the gifts. I really appreciate it, and I love it. And to whoever helped you, if anyone helped you, thank you. I may not be able to give you kisses physically,